What's good with the gang? I just wanted to let y'all know that we made some progress with the S15 yesterday. I know I told y'all in the last video about this truck that I was done, but I kept going. Went to the paint shop the other day, the shop that painted my car and my boy car. Went up there, and the painter, I told y'all he do LS swaps too. He getting into it, and what else? You drop your car off base and you leave, you can have a turnkey if you want to. Depends on how your bag looking. But he told me I would be stupid to let somebody else wire this car up. You came this far, why don't you let somebody else do it? It's only 3 wires to here and this and this and this and that. So first I was, forget what he's saying. But then I was like, nah, I'm gonna try. So he showed me on the harness that he got up there. So I ran that wire right here, this red wire, to I put it in the ignition fuse. I put it in there, and then I have the battery wires on and stuff like that. I'll show you guys a clip in this in this video that I'm doing. It tried to turn over, but I stopped it because it ain't no oil in here. Well, I ain't gonna say try to turn over. It was just like grinding, but there ain't no oil in here. I don't want to mess nothing up in the motor. But it made me feel good yesterday, y'all. So I did that, and I went in the house because I didn't want to get myself upset because I was too hyped after that happened. My boy been telling me to do it. I know you guys been telling me to do it, especially Chevy Rodder. He sure been telling me to do it. My auntie been telling me to do it. Hold on, y'all. Let me check to be on the safe side. Hold on. Yeah, my boy Heavy Chevy. Yeah, he been telling me to do it. Like, you can do it. I believe in you. Everybody was believing in your boy, but I wasn't believing. But since I got that far, I can go ahead and try to finish it. It's gonna take some time. Right now we heading to the other house. I gotta get the carpet shampooed, so I'm gonna get that shampooed and get some stuff squared away at the house, and then from there I'm gonna try to come back and do some work. Vegas keep throwing this little bit of rain. It's kind of cold out here, as y'all can see. I look at the mountains out here in Vegas right now. They full. But we ain't worry about that. And then got the little rain drips and all that, steady dripping slowly. But if we get back in time enough, Pop's got that little heater. I'm gonna plug that mud up and get back to work. And I'm gonna throw that clip up in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That is attempted turnover, but I gotta drop the starter again because I put the 2 fuse wires. I'm post a picture of those. I'm gonna try to put the 2 fuse wires in the I put the 2 fuse wires, the fuse 1 and fuse 2, and the positive battery cable on the starter. So it's three things on 1 prong. And I was talking to my boy Manny. He was telling me it don't go like that. You got to take the 2 fuse wires and hook it to the positive on the battery. So you got to take that off, because only time it attempt to start, I don't have no power here. But as soon as I touch it with the positive on the battery, it starts to turn over. So did something wrong right there, but he corrected me. And my boy, man, shout out to everybody who been helping me with this truck. I know y'all probably said this little dude right here don't know what he want to do, but I got out here yesterday and I tried. It didn't take me that long neither, which was surprising. But I still gotta hit the computer up. I'm gonna hit the dude who's gonna tune it. I'm gonna hit him and see how much he'll charge me for to delete the VAPs, since I want him to do everything, just to delete the VAPs for me so I could attempt to turn it over. But other than that, y'all, stay tuned, y'all. Your boy Super Geek. When I say geek, we geek. But this Vegas weather, I don't want to get sick. Right now, the wrong time to get sick, boy. You get sick, put it like this. You walk up in Smith's out here, and you mess around and clear your throat up. Achoo! Everybody looking at you like you got HIV or something. You bleeding everywhere. So it ain't no such thing as a common cold no more. So then it's kind of breezy, too. Look at the trees. A little breezy. Rain dripping. You got time to be getting sick. But I just had to show y'all that. I meant to do it yesterday, but it had got dark. With your boy Geek, we're gonna get right back out here. The way it's looking now, I'm still not gonna put a date on it. But it's looking pretty bright. Then I get off at I start work on Monday, but I get off at 2:30. But But I got to get my body back going. I haven't worked in a minute. I get off at 2:30, off every weekend, so I still got time to mess with the truck and stuff like that. But let me go ahead and get up over here and get this flowing stuff shampooed so I can focus on this truck before I get working. I'm trying to have it all wired up before I start work. It's only Wednesday, a couple more days, y'all. I got the weekend too, so let me go ahead and get this stuff going. Catch y'all later.